Hi guys, welcome to our part 4 JavaScript tutorial. So now we're going to learn how to get this information from a user, not like you to type it in here manually. So you ask somebody to put in num1 and also put in num2 so that the calculator can calculate everything for him or her, and so that it gets the thing more dynamic. So what we're gonna do here, we're going to delete all this, and we repeat and say var num1 1 equals to prompt let's say enter number 1. We're gonna say number 1. Okay, then we save. Let's try to see if this gonna work for us. Say okay, we refresh, nothing is working, and we ask ourselves, why is it not working? We're first gonna do cut this and try to say prompt. Maybe something wrong I'm doing. Yes, there is something wrong I'm doing, so we need to put this into quotes. Only that can cause a dramatic error. So we refresh, you can see it says enter number 1, enter number 1. If I say okay, it doesn't do anything, so I'm gonna copy this another line, put it here, and call this num2. We're just trying to save time, and also tell this guy that we need enter number 2. Okay, so when we save and we go back here, we refresh, say enter number 1. If I put in that number, say 1, say okay, say enter number 2, I put in 3, say okay. It doesn't do anything because we did not tell JavaScript to do anything, nothing here. So what do we do? We say alert. So we're doing calculations also again. So by this time we get our data from the user. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and if you have any issues, please tell us, and we will try to solve them out. So num2, so we really don't know the numbers gonna come from the user, so we come here down and add them. So what we say, we save here, and we refresh our page, say enter number 1. I'm gonna say 3, say okay, plus 4, we say okay, we get 34. Why is it like that? So 3 plus 4 is 34. No, there's something wrong here. Something I did. Maybe the browser is still not remembering the right thing. So let me try to say this. Say okay, save, and say 1 times 2 equals to 2. Okay, that went well guys, and let me refresh and say 3 times 2 equals to 6. Yeah guys, that went well, and that's the end of our tutorial, how to get your data from a user and do your calculations. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.